Hello and welcome to the Side1 YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video, part 4 of the version 2 or i2Head for the Inmoov Robot, we're going to be working on the forehead. So we have here the forehead support and the eyebrow support piece. This piece also supports the nose when the latex nose goes on, or the silicon rubber nose goes on later on. We're going to be mounting 4 servos in total onto these 2 pieces. But before we mount our servos, let's actually assemble these 2 parts together. Now, I installed M3 nuts into the plastic, and if I get my tweezers out, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 M3 screws. These screws are 10mm long each, and they mount like so. So this piece will go to the top of head support, and it will mount on like so. So let's put these screws in. Now, I did countersink these holes here so that the head of the screw is below where the servo will sit later. Okay, now they're in, we'll mount our 4 servos. Now, when we look at the website, from the Inmoov website on constructing this, remember this is the side that's facing out, and we want the gear to be on the outside. Once we get that in place, we'll use 2 servo mount screws that come with the servos to mount those in. Need another servo on the other side, again with the horn facing out. And then we're going to need the 2 servos on the top. And in this case, the servo horns will face in. So we want mounted like so. So that was the easy bit. Okay, so with the top 2 servos, we're going to mount the servo horns facing out, but we need them at 90 degrees, so let's make sure they are, and set them to 1500 microseconds. That one is. I move it. And we'll set the other one the same, facing out. And we'll use the small metal thread screw that come with the servos to secure the horn on. For the lower servos, I think the cheek pullers will mount those facing in. But we need them at 1500 microseconds or 90 degrees as well. So I'm using the servo tester to actually set these. You can use the PCA 9685 connected to my robot lab, and that too will work. If you're not sure how to use my robot lab and the servo service with the PCA 9685, I do have a series of videos on my robot lab. And I'll show you how to set up My Robot Lab and how to use the PCA 9685. So the next part will be these ones. And they mount on, this goes on this side. Like so. And we'll use these little black 6mm screws. They're 6mm long. These are a little self-tapping screw. And we'll use 2 screws for that. We'll do the same for the bottom. For the other side, I should say. Next we'll do the eyebrow at the top. That's our 4 servos and their horns or respective components attached. Now we're going to use some more 10mm M3 screws. Now originally Gale spec'd 16mm M3 screws, but I'm running nutserts in here so we can get away with the 10mm. Again, I countersunk these. Might just tilt the head back so it's easier to see. Okay, so that's the 4 head components now installed. You can see the bridge where the nose will be, and I think it's starting to look pretty good. So in the next video we will connect up all of our servos to the PCA 9685. We'll connect it to a Raspberry Pi 5 in this case, which is just here. I've actually installed on this Raspberry Pi 5 a WaveShare audio card so that I've got a speaker and microphones, and we'll run my Robot Lab up on this and control our servos through it. I have already made up a cable. This is just a bit of ribbon cable. In this case it has 5 cores, which will plug on to the 5 pins inner closest to the or furthest from the USB ports, and we will connect that onto our PCA 9685. In fact, in this orientation with my green wire, which is ground, facing this way. And we'll connect all our servos up to that. Now at the moment there are 17 servos in the head of this robot, and I've only got 16 outputs here, so in this demonstration I won't be connecting the one to rotate the head. I will be extending that down when I install it onto Fred's body and run off the back PCA 9685. So to see the video where I do that and install the top skull, don't forget to click on like, subscribe and ring that notification bell. It's a form of support that helps the channel a great deal and costs you absolutely nothing. If you'd like to support the channel further, I do have a Patreon account and you can join my long-term patrons, VIPs, Go Lucky and Lorenz Berger, and my builder patron, El Morales 45, in helping support the channel. If you've got any questions, either leave a comment below or drop into one of the Discords. I'll list all 3 Discords, channel servers that I use, mine, the My Robot Lab one, and the official Inmoov Discord server. And we'll see you in the next video.